Hello guys, oh, okay. Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make L4KM tag mod. Still 2023, so I'm gonna leave this link on that person. Gonna close these because I'm not gonna need them. So we should just show you how to make a mod. So I do not recommend downloading this. Download this version because this one is broken and this is the fixed version. So yeah, the first thing is you need to do is when you go and download it over here, just go and put it to Unity. You may not know how, but I will show you how. So now all you're gonna do, just put it to Unity. But look, I already have this name on this, so you don't have to rename it. But because I already have a one that's, I don't know why that it says 0.0.3. But anyways, if it says that, that's because I was just testing something. But yeah, it is not 0.0.3. It is 0.0.2. So yeah, I'm just gonna rename it into mod tutor. Yeah. Oh my. Cancel. Anyways, okay. So you wanna extract it. You can just use WinRAR or Windows. I'm gonna do for Windows because it is. Because for people who don't have WinRAR and don't know how to do it 3, and I think this is gonna take a long time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna make you wait, I'm just gonna go record again when this is done. Okay guys, it didn't let me, but look, I found a fix. If this also happened to you, just go inside the folder, the WinRAR file, and drag this and put it to your downloads. And now you can just delete the zip file and just delete it. And I do not recommend keeping this in here because it will say like yesterday, which is, you do not want to keep it because you don't want to scroll down and find it. For example, I'm gonna do a back room map and drag this SDK and put it in here. Now I can just close out of your downloads and just set it up, and you just name this mod tutorial. And I'll say, no, I'm not gonna do back. I'm just gonna name it mod tutorial. So mod tutorial. Oh, mod tutorial. I think I typed wrong, but anyways, okay. It's just because it's just a tutorial, okay? Now when you go and do this, go to Unity and click on add project from disk. Now when this now shows up, just go where is your mod is. And go over this, open. Now all we're gonna do is just go inside here. Just wait until this like closes. So now when you go over here, accept all, and if you see this, that's mean you're fine, okay? If you see these, this and this, if you do this, that means you're 100% fine. But if you don't, then you need to go to your browser and just go to the Unity asset set store Python, and you want to get this, and get this, and when you get this, you need to also type Python voice after you add it to your assets. And just go get it, okay? I mean, you all already know what it is, okay? But I'm just gonna show you how does it look like. So just go to my assets and just wait till loads, and it should be like this. Make sure it is Python voice 2, and yeah, this is the one you need. Okay, just go click on import on this one and click on import on this one, and that's basically it. And now we won't have any servers because it is empty. So yeah. So the first thing, you can just pick the servers or the map. The first thing I'm gonna do the map and the servers, but the first thing I'm gonna do is the map. So let's just go and make a random map, and yeah, just do this. But if you want something like easier, go to Window Package Manager and download Pro Builder. This one you need. This is the one you need. Pro Builder. If you see this, that's fine. Just don't mind that, as it is fine. And this, if you can't see over here, these are some assets of this, but these are just like materials, okay, or textures. So you can just now go over here, and you can see you can just put this or put this. It actually looks clean, but I think this is better. So yeah, now when you go and do this, yeah, and you can also like make it smooth. Wait a minute, smoothness. So you can make it smooth. Yeah, so you can make also realistic map. You can just make it smooth. I do not recommend actually making it smooth now. Just make it 0.5 because I don't think your Quest can handle this. But a PC VR, I'm pretty sure they can. So let me just show you what can you do. So you can just copy and paste this over here. Let's just make a way over here. But the SDK is very easy to use, okay? But to use Pro Builder, just do this tools, Pro Builder window, and just drag this and put this in here. And then click on new shape, and you can now make stairs. Isn't that cool? So let me just show you how do I make a stair over here. Like I want to make a stair. Yeah, just do this and make a stair. So now we learned how do we make a stair. How do we add materials to it? Oh my god. How do we add materials to it? Just go and you can just make your own or download a one and just simply drag it in here. Like this, you see if this is cool now. This is better. So if you can't see, we can now make this. No, you see, you can like do this. I recommend putting on this if you want to make it perfectly, and then just add it over here. I'm just gonna do this so I can make it cool. Like the Pro Builder is the best thing you can use because if you wanna like do something, it makes it easier. So yeah, I recommend downloading the Pro Builder. I already showed you how to download it. This is messed up, so yeah, yes, just fixed it. To just fix it. Just do this a bit, and it is now fixed. If you can't see, and yes, make a wall, right? Because why not? So I don't know if this act can do walls with this, but I'm pretty sure you can. Okay, never mind. make sure every time you do this, you need to, I don't know why my mic was muted the whole time. But yeah, you probably understand what just happened. But look, you need to listen carefully. Every time your mod gets an update, you need to change this, or it will break. So now, when you go, and and just do this, you can just now click on close, and you can now just go and make this. Not make this. Wait a minute, I kind of actually forgot. I'm pretty sure I already did this. But yeah, just okay? No, you don't know, but I'm pretty sure I already did this. So yeah, just click on save. If it failed, just close out of Unity and just do it again. But if this didn't work, then just make it back to Windows and just go back to Android. It may take a long time. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you wait. I'm just gonna go record it back. Okay, when it is done, you will most probably see this. So, you may think what I do here. Simply delete it. And then you have here your mod. And now, just publish it. You need to make a dish.io account. The best way is to release it on dish.io. So just click on here and go to upload your project over here. And just name it mod, or your mod type L4KM Tag, then your modding name. Mod tutorial. And now, we're not gonna do any image yet because it's just a tutorial. And also, do not make this on game. Make it on game mods. And you can here decide what is your mod. And then we will not have access to the public. But how do I fix that? That's very easy. Just click on save. And then click on edit mod. And just make it on public. And now just click on upload files. I don't know why it even take me here. But yeah. And just drag this, put it over here. Now, you may ask me, how do I do for PC VR? I also want to make my mod for PC VR. Just go over here and wait. Second. And then click on build. To mod tutorial, and then Windows, and click on select folder. Also, this have to be 64 bits, or it will not work. Make it on this, or it will not work. Also, development build, you can make it on, but I do not recommend actually make it on development build. But yeah, you can just keep it, or you can just not keep it. Do whatever you want. And then just go and delete this. Delete this, the one that says this. We may think this is the data, but no, it is not the data. It's not the data. Because maybe if you do this, someone can like do things to your mod and just do some random things. So I do not recommend keeping this. And now, what people, their mistake is they just drag this exe and put it in here. But that's not how you do it. You need to right click it and then go to, and just make it a zip file, okay? Just make it a zip file. Now, go to the page and as well, look, when you go over here, look for Quest, which is the .abk, make it on this Android, and click on upload and make it, and just upload this. Yeah. Just wait. I'm not gonna make you wait. I'm just gonna go and like stop the video and just put it again.